Actress Jenny Agutter has fired a verbal missile at Top Gun star Tom Cruise for disturbing her with his helicopter. Jenny plays Nun's sister Julienne in hit TV drama Call the Midwife, which is filmed at Longcross Studios in Surrey. But she and her co-stars, including the likes of Helen George and Cliff Parisi, have had to reshoot scenes wrecked by the racket of Tom's chopper. The 60-year-old Hollywood star plays Ethan Hunt once more in Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 2, also being filmed at Longcross. He has a pilot's license and often flies in and out of the Surrey site. Joking Jenny, 69, said, "Tom Cruise keeps on ruining our filming by landing his helicopter right outside where we're shooting." Asked if she planned to give Tom a ticking off, she added, "In my habit. Imagine. Excuse me Tom, but look, we're trying to film. I don't know about you, but just get your helicopter out of here quickly." The actress, speaking at last week's TV Choice Awards, has been in BBC One show Call the Midwife since 2012. That was the year she also appeared in Marvel movie Avengers Assemble, followed up 2 years later by a role in Captain America: The Winter Soldier. Jenny said, "I'd love to go back to Marvel again, that would be fun. I really want to get involved with the stunts." Tom, meanwhile, has been basking in the glory of Top Gun: Maverick, which has made $1.5 billion at the box office,